We are here with Dr. Berner with Idaho Eyelid and Facial Plastic Surgery on the What's the Difference series that we're doing. And today's question is, what is the difference between fractionated and ablative lasers?
All right, well, it's a common question that comes up because there are so many lasers available in different areas. So, first of all, I only use CO2 lasers. There are erbium lasers which are less efficacious but easier healing. The CO2 laser, which is a CO2 beam that then interacts with water in the tissues to create the injury, which gets the response we need. There are two types. There's fully ablative and fractionated. And the big difference is that the fully ablative takes off the entire top layer of skin and then hits the second layer in a way that generates a healing response. It's a little bit longer healing time, but it is definitely key when we have medium and deep wrinkles. And I think really just an example of that, I've got a lady here, a woman who had a fully ablative CO2, and you can see the difference here and at 1 month. Still pink here, but notice the marked difference in wrinkles. And that 12 years, that result has still been maintained with the reduction of wrinkles. So let's compare the side by side there. You can see the effect 12 years later. People that don't really have as severe of wrinkling, then either very fine lines or also cases where there are more pigmentation and texture issues, I think the fractionated CO2 is very helpful. An example of that is, in this case, and the fractionated CO2, we're just going to treat isolated areas with little tiny spots, but we leave plenty of intact tissue in between. By leaving the intact tissue, we get a shorter healing time, quicker response, and we can apply it to a broader array of things like non-facial skin and people with darker skin as well. So both very effective, fractionated, fully ablative CO2, that's the difference.
Thank you.